I found a really simple way to increase the range of your car's wireless remote key fob. Take your remote off your keychain and using a small screwdriver gently pry apart the case. It should come apart fairly easily, but try not to mangle it all up. Now once you're inside, you have to locate the antenna. It's either a small round or a small square flat surface. I took some 800 grit sandpaper and gently sanded the top surface of the antenna. Then you want to find a little piece of wire about 2 inches long and form it in a loop. Trim back a small portion of the insulation and then solder that end onto the top of the transmitter. Make sure the wire fits in snugly and won't come in contact with anything, and then close the remote up. When I tested this, I was able to get an additional 50 feet out of my remote. It's pretty simple to do and works great, so give it a try.